Hello and welcome to my video on roadmap to becoming a data analyst. As a data analyst, you will be responsible for collecting, analyzing and interpreting large sets of data, and in order to excel in this field, it is essential that you have a strong understanding of certain tools and technologies. First and foremost, Excel is a must-have tool for any data analyst. Excel helps you to analyze, interpret, and visualize your data, whether you are working with small, large, or complex data sets. Excel is a versatile tool that helps you make sense of it all. Next we have is Power BI. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool. With Power BI, you can create visually appealing dashboards and create interactive reports. Power BI allows you to connect with multiple data sources such as Excel, and it also helps you to uncover insights and trends within your data. SQL or structured query language is another essential tool for data analysts. SQL is a programming language that helps you manage and manipulate your databases. With SQL, you can update, retrieve, delete, or manipulate your data from your databases, making it yet another useful tool for interpreting large sets of data. Finally, Python is a widely used programming language in data science and analytics. With Python, you can use powerful libraries such as NumPy and Pandas to perform complex data analysis and manipulation tasks. Additionally, you can also use machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn to build predictive models and gain insights from your data. So there you have it, a roadmap to becoming a data analyst that I follow, and Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python are all essential tools that you need to master in order to excel in this field. Thanks for watching and good luck on your journey to becoming a data analyst. Thank you.